for a long time. I knew it when I was a teenager. I had braces. And I used a Waterpik to help clean my teeth because, you know, with braces, you need all the help you can get.
Sure do.
Well, this isn't just a Waterpik. This is also what I like to call a 2-in-1.
It is.
This is a sonic toothbrush and a Waterpik system all in one.
Yeah, we call it the 1-2 punch. It is our professional grade system, and what we offer you for the first time with this is triple sonic technology. So when I turn it on, you can hear 3 different modes.
Wow,
triple sonic technology. And we also offer all of the jet tips that you'll ever need. And this has been around for 53 years, since 1962. So a name synonymous with superior oral health and hygiene. That's why I love this system.
You're also getting 5 brush heads, which is over a year's supply of brush heads. Depending on how many folks are using this or how often you change out your brush heads.
True.
So this is 6 easy payments on your credit card. You fill this up with what? Is it just regular tap water?
Just regular tap water. And if you do have sensitive teeth and gums, put a little tepid water or warm water in there. And you can also put a shot of your favorite mouthwash in there, too, to really make everything absolutely perfect and wonderful.
So the mouthwash won't hurt the mechanism?
Not at all. Not at all.
And if you're using some of those dental rinses,
yes, absolutely.
I would imagine putting some of that in there, too. I saw one in the store yesterday that had Spider-Man on it. So I'm assuming that's for the kids.
That's not your favorite?
I don't know. I might have found its way into my card. I can't tell. But I will tell you that you got the best of both worlds here. And it looks like a carrying case, correct?
Carrying case. Yep. You have actually up to 2 weeks for travel time with this. Carrying case, hygienic. You get all of those tips. And what you really get with this is they're up to 31,000 brush strokes a minute, so it's wonderful. Our animation will show what you kind of get when what this looks like in your mouth.
How many brush strokes would you get if you were doing it manually? A couple hundred?
I don't know. A
couple hundred a minute,
and
maybe?
It sounds tiring.
This is 31,000.
And it's fully featured. So what it does is it runs for 2 minutes. It has a 30-second little pulse timer to let you know.
We also don't brush long enough in one area, do we?
Exactly. So up to 31,000 brush strokes per minute. You know what Sonic does for your faces, so let's bring it to our teeth and gums. But this one is the game changer. This makes all the difference in the world. This water flosser, because we know we're supposed to floss twice a day, but really do we? Here it gets down below the gum line, it gets between tight teeth, it gets on top of those molars, it gets behind the molars, and I love to say that there's no place in your mouth that food particles, skins, seeds can hide from this system because it rotates 360 degrees around. It's got a nice tight tip to the brush, so anywhere in your mouth food usually hides, this is going to find it.
Now you got a little demonstration here to show us how 31,000 brush strokes looks in water.
Right, and this is just ordinary club soda actually, and we've got a little blue line there. So this is simulated manual brushing. I want to show you how I don't have to do the work. I don't have to brush up and down. All I have to do is run this along that line, and you're going to see, boom. That's the power of Sonic in your mouth. That's what it looks like in your mouth when it gets all of those seeds and tartar and all that stuff that tends to build up. It really addresses all of your needs.
Now, I will tell you, you have a choice of either the white one or the black one. The black one is in front of me. Let me move my black sweater out of the way so you can see it a little better.
It's so sweet.
So here is the black choice. We also have the white choice. Now, I also want to let you know that we've got a great value. Take a look at the graphic on your screen. It's going to flip around. And when it does that, you'll be able to see what we're talking about in terms of our value story. If you were to go to retail to buy the Sonic Flosser or the Waterpik Flosser and Sonic toothbrush, the replacement heads, and that tongue cleaner, you're looking at $123.07. We've got it today at $89 and change. We also have it for you on 6 easy payments on your credit card. Your shipping and handling is only $3.
Oh, that's awesome.
So it is a tremendous tool to help you make better decisions when it comes to your dental hygiene.
Absolutely. And if you've never water flossed before, what I love specifically about this system is it is customizable. So you turn it on, and what you can do is just gently put it on a level between 1 and 10. So you see there's a very low power. So if you have, again, sensitive gums or teeth, very, very low power. Look at the control you have now. Here is how I use mine, because I have an obsession with clean teeth and gums, and nothing drives me more crazy than having something stuck in my teeth. So I love that you have that customizability. But Waterpik actually sent their own team into dentist offices and said, what are your patients' needs? How can we make a better, superior product? And they did clinical studies. And in those clinical studies, the Waterpik Flosser proved to be highly effective in removing significant amounts of plaque. Another important one, the Waterpik toothbrush and flosser combination were found to be an effective alternative to manual brushing and dental floss for 3 very important things in the dental world. That is plaque removal, gingival inflammation, and reducing bleeding. And our latest new claim is when you used our Sonic toothbrush for 2 minutes a day, 2 minutes twice a day for 2 weeks. It significantly improved tooth stains versus manual brushing with a non-timer system. So here you go. You use this. It's right there, one small footprint in your bathroom. Brushing and Sonic all together in one system, professional grade.
I will remind you, the value story here is tremendous because $123.07 is what you're going to pay if you buy this at retail, because we also include that tongue scraper, which is going to go a long way toward helping you fight bad breath.
Yeah.
Now, I will also tell you that we're not at $127 and change. We're at $123 change, pardon me. We're at $89.96. 6 easy payments on your credit card and a nominal shipping and handling fee. Now, let's take a look at some of the reviews because you're also customer top rated.
I know. I love
Great
that.
tooth care system, has 3 choices for brushing, and I really like that one, customer writes. Another customer writes in their review, glad I bought this. The toothbrush does an effective job. My 10-year-old loves to brush and floss, now using this. That is enough. And she said, and that is enough said. Ha ha.
True.
So there you go. You've got a lot of people who are making this their family dental system.
And they should. And with 5 brush heads that are interchangeable, why not? They should as well, because that's more than a year's worth for one person or a family can share because they're color coded. But the tongue, you were talking about cleaning the tongue. The toothbrush, back of the toothbrush has a tongue cleaner, but we also give you a tongue cleaner in the jet system. We give you all of these tips. This is a periodontal pickpocket, so it's very specific if you have that need. These are your standard jet tips you'll use every day. This is the one that if you have braces as a child or adult, you know it's so hard to floss with tape or string when you have braces. Use this, you will absolutely love it. And this is your stubborn plaque seeker, and again, that tongue cleaner. So we give you everything, and why not do it in one easy, one foul swoop? Again, manual brushing, simulation, not much happening, regular club soda, turn it on, boom. I'm just gonna run this along that line, just gently. And it just does the work for me.
It just powers it away.
That's what Sonic does.
You know what? Let's all be honest and say, what does the dentist say every time you go to have your teeth cleaned? You should floss more.
Yep.
And how many of us promise the dentist we will,
And you don't.
and go home and don't do it? I'm one of those people.
Yeah.
I promise many times, yes, doctor, I will do it. I will be better about it. And then I get busy. I'm running late.
Yeah.
100 things I got to get done before I get out of the house, and suddenly flossing falls to the bottom of the list.
Yeah.
It just happens.
Yeah.
So if it's right there on the countertop along with your toothbrush, you're much more likely to use it. You've got a great price, and you've got marvelous Easy Pay to help you along. And if you're wondering what other folks have to say about it, head over to this item number and read the reviews. It's customer top rated, which is really, really extraordinary. Denise, it's a pleasure having you back.
As always, you
Enjoy
too.
your Saturday.
Thank you, my friend. You
Nice
too.
to have you here. This is V32192. We're going to ask you to stick around because I've got some